Welcome back to Father-Son DIY Garage, and today we're going to show you how to build this flat top grill. Check it out.
So for the flat top, we decided to go with a piece of 1/4 inch plate, cutting this down to 32 inches by 2 feet. Then I went ahead and cut some 1 inch flat bar, a 1/4 inch thick, and this is going to be what we use to trim out that plate. Cutting 2 pieces at 2 feet, one at 32.5. Then we go ahead and trim up 3 of those sides. Using those magnets, making sure it's nice and square. Then I went ahead and flipped it over, put a couple passes on the bottom, weld that flat bar to that steel plate. Then went ahead and flipped it back over and burned a full weld on that inside seam. That way none of that oil slips out while you're cooking. And once I was done welding that, took this off the welding table, put it to the side. And now we're going to make our fire chamber. Using some 3/16 inches plate for that fire chamber. So it's going to be 28 inches by 1'8". Using that Evolution Tools circular saw makes quick work of that steel plate. I used to spend hours grinding all this plate up, but with this circular saw, just bam, one pass and you're done. Went ahead and put a couple holes in the side panels for the fire chamber to give it some airflow. Then it was time to weld it up. There's our side panels going up. Tack welding everything together. In that back panel. Then went ahead and put a few weld passes to hold it all together. Then it was time to start working on the legs and the wheels. Here I am laying out all of our base plates that are going to hold the wheels. And here's a nice little wheel set we got off Amazon. Comes with some nuts and bolts if you're doing some metalworking. Also comes with some screws and washers if you're working with wood. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below so you guys can use this. And we're making all the holes for this project with our Evolution Tools mag drill. It has a nice little oil reservoir to self-feed while you're drilling. And we're going to put a 1-inch hole in this 1-inch steel plate. This thing got that 1-inch hole drilled in about a minute, which anyone who's ever drilled through thick steel like this knows that that is amazing. And it leaves a nice clean cut. We're going to be using this to drill all of our holes in our base plates. Put a smaller drill bit on. Once all those holes were drilled, took it over to the Evolution miter and chop saw. Cut those base plates out. Then we got some 1-inch pipe. Cut some legs 31 inches long. And welded them up. Just kind of tack welding them together. Getting them nice and square. Then going back and burning a full weld all the way around. Then it was time to put the wheels on. And once we had those legs complete, we had all the pieces to this puzzle. Went ahead and put that flat top grill face down on the welding table. Then put the fire chamber right on top of it. Got it all nice and lined up evenly. Put some passes all the way around it to weld them together. Then it was time to weld on the legs. You can kind of put these wherever you want. I kind of like to space them far apart. That way they got some nice surface area, so it's not tipping over. It was time to take this thing off the welding table. Made sure all the wheels work real nice. Then I went ahead and broke out the orbital sander. Wanted to get all that mill scale off, get down to that nice raw metal. Started with some 80 grit and worked my way up. Did some 150 and then 220. Then I went ahead and cut a piece of angle iron that's going to be used as our drip tray. Line that up right on the edge of that 1/4-inch plate. Put a full weld all the way down. That way none of that oil is dripping off when we're cooking. Then it was time to fire this thing up and get it seasoned. Using some canola oil, just rubbed it around all over. And you can see as the fire gets hotter and this thing warms up, it bakes on nicely. All right, ready?
All right, we got the grill fired up, and now it's time to cook. See what's happening.
Cheers to another completed project.
And a good meal. Check this out. Nice, what is this?
Philly cheesesteak. Got some chili quesadillas. Time to eat.
All right, let's check this out.
All right.
Good stuff.
Thank you guys for tuning in to Father Son DIY Garage. We'll see you next time.
Cheers.